Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly time frame, I still think this is very, very clearly a 1, 2, 3. We blew past that 161 level, which, like I've been saying, wave 3s can extend way beyond the 161. They could go to the 261 and beyond. But our next level is the 178 to pay attention to. I would expect at this point it probably will hit that 160, 178 level and maybe even higher before we go down and make a wave 4 and probably back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it definitely still looks like a wave 1. It looks like a wave 2. It looks like this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. I would expect now that it passed this level that it would probably at least go up to the next fib level, which is right around the 2625, 2630 area, before we actually do end this wave 3 and potentially start a wave 4. But like I said, wave 3s can extend way, way beyond what you would expect them to extend. Just because we're at all-time highs does not mean that the trend is over. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, even right here on the daily, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yeah, I mean, the trend is definitely up. I would definitely still be looking for longs. My Fibonacci levels are all telling me to keep an eye out for, like the 2630, 2640 area for a possible turn, possibly ending the wave 3. For now, I am definitely still looking for longs. I definitely would not be fighting this wave 3 trend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I said last night if the price breaks to the downside, then it probably would be a little bit of a short, but most likely we're in a middle of a wave 3 right now. This is a 1, this is a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3. If I actually squish this down a little bit, you can see what my target is. I think this thing is potentially going all the way up to about the 2628, 2630 area to finish off a wave 3, eventually making a wave 4 and a wave 5. Now we do have FOMC tomorrow, which is definitely going to affect the gold and all the dollar pairs. So it's going to be interesting to see how that goes. So man, look at this right here, man. If you've been watching my videos, you've probably been doing really well because I said if it doesn't break this or if it rejects this, it'd probably be a nice long opportunity. Look at this, 1, 2, 3 waves down, perfect little long. Even right here, there was a little 1, 2, 3 wave down, 1, 2, 3 wave down. So I am definitely extremely bullish. The fact that it is in all-time highs does not deter me at all. All you have to do is look at any Swiss pair on the higher time frames, and you can see that all-time highs or all-time lows does not mean anything at all. The trend is definitely still your friend, and I would definitely still be looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. If it breaks structure to the downside, then that could change that. I could possibly start looking for shorts then, but that's only if it breaks and holds below structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.